Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can search the peoples by address on the Intelius website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Google Chrome, and after that we have to search the query like this, and then we have to go to the website. As you can see now the website is open. Now simply what we need to do, we have to go to the address, and after going to the address, we have to provide the address here. For example, you have to provide the street address and the city here, and then select the state here. And after providing that address, you have to click on the search and you will get the record accordingly. We are going to search some random address like the, as you can see, has an information. So I'm going to copy this one. So as you can see, let's copy this, and I'm going to copy it. And after copying this, I'm going to the address section. Let's click on the enter street address. As you can see now, this all information, all address is added here. So I'm going to cut this one. Let's click on the California. I'm going to search for the California, and then we have to choose the state California and then search for this. As you can see, let's click on search, and after clicking on the search, you will get the record accordingly. So as you can see, your report is ready, California. See, as you can see, these all things are mentioned here. If you want to check out these, you will be able to get these all details. You have to provide the first name, last name, and email address. And after providing that, you need to pay a little bit amount, and after providing the amount, you will be able to get that all information according to your address. So in this way you can, search by address on the Intelius website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.